Hey, what's up, guys? You already know it's these guys from Aztec Chevrolet that sit here when you're bored and we flip coins. We do coin flip challenges, but look at what we got here.
Bean boozled.
Wow. So you already know who's up to the challenge. We got in the red corner. Hit the blue corner. So here we go. Y'all eat your beans and see what y'all get. Hold on, both of y'all get on film.
What are the what are the flavors? I mean, so everybody knows.
Okay, the flavors on this one are either barf or peach.
Oh Jesus Christ, man!
God, don't you won't spill it.
No, leave that right there.
You have to at least chew it for 5 seconds. Or
Yeah,
10
hey,
seconds.
toast.
Eat it.
We're gonna
You gotta
toast
at
it.
least chew it. You gotta eat the whole thing. You gotta chew it. For
Eat
10
it, Henry.
seconds.
Eat it,
I
Henry.
need 10 seconds.
Fucking throw up, dude. It tastes like throw up
Mine was good.
every fucking time.
And that is not rigged, ladies and gentlemen. He's always a loser. Y'all have a good day.